Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. So, as usual, this is the session where we'll be analyzing the market together and looking for possible entry opportunities. Okay. And if this is your first time here, you're welcome to our live trading session. We hold this session every morning, Mondays to Fridays, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay. So all right. So um, all you need to do is fund your account on my live stream. Okay. If you fund, all right. Sorry about that, guys. So all you need to do is just fund on my live stream. That way you'll be qualified to join my premium group. Okay. So funding on my live stream is like using one stone to kill two birds. All right. Because if you fund on this live stream, you also be able to take my signals on this live stream. Okay. Because if money you are funding, we are going to be growing it together. You understand? And again, once the money is in your account, if you fund at least $10, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. If you fund up to $200, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month, and then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, so guys, see, um, on my premium group, my premium members can testify to that. So if you're a premium member, you are here, please encourage others to join the premium group. Okay, I'm sure you've enjoyed a lot from our premium group. We've been giving profitable signals back to back. So let's encourage others to join. Let's encourage them to come and make money with us. All right. Nigeria is very hard right now. So if you are encouraging somebody to do what will, bring food to their table, I think you are doing the best thing you can for the person. All right. So let's look for entry opportunity to trade. Let's look for entry opportunities. Okay, so let me start my analysis from the higher time frame as usual. Today we're going to be using maybe like 30 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. Okay. So let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do here. So this has been making move to the downside. Okay, so I think the market is going to continue to go down because we have this move from here. This is the 1 hour time frame. AUDCHF. So let me quickly analyze this and see if this is something that we can actually take open opportunity on. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go see what is going on the lower time frame. All right. Okay. So guys, get your account ready. Get your account ready. We might be taking this entry. All right. Okay. So let's go back to 5 minutes time frame. Sorry about that, guys. Just had this sore throat. Okay. So all right. So since this is already approaching the area, our point of interest, let's see. Let's see what will happen when the market gets here. So what I want to see here is I want this market to, you know, I want this market to sell from this area. This is my point of interest. Okay, I want this market to make a move right in here before it go down to the downside. Okay, so when that happens, we are going to place our sell. Our TP is going to be here. Oh, let me just round this up to 2. So this is 2 times of whatever we are risking. Okay, so when the market get in there, we're going to be setting our take profit and our stop loss. Okay, so let me see how many pips this is. All right, so stop loss is 5.1. Take profit is 10. Okay, 10.1. So that is double of whatever you are risking. If you risk $5 to make, you're making $10. If you risk $1, you are making $2. That is what this means, right? So guys, get your account ready. Just set your account to AUDCHF. Okay, go to AUDCHF market. Okay, so it's currently approaching the zone. Currently approaching our entry point. Once the market gets in there, we take our entry immediately. All right. So let's go back. Since this market, we still have this candle, and the market is very close to our entry point. I don't think it would be wise to move away from this market for now. Okay, it's not going to be wise to move away. So let's just keep our eyes on it and see how far it goes. See how the candle closes, the current candle. So if it does close in our favor, good. Then we take the entry. All right. Few minutes to the end of this current candle. Few seconds. Okay, so the candle closed and the market, failed to enter into our point of interest. Okay, so I think the market is currently respecting this zone. I think we might have another zone around here that the market is currently respecting. Let me see, because we have a very tiny favor look up around this area to this area. So I think the market is actually respecting this fair value gap. Okay. But I'm not going to judge with this. I still want the market to come. Okay. So let's wait for this next candle. If this candle closes and the market breaks below this area, then we just forget about this setup. Okay. All right. So let's go back to our setup. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. So we just want to make sure that all our live stream experience is seamless. All right. So anyway, we see all those small glitches. We try to as much as possible to fix them. So sorry about that. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue. So this is the market we actually wanted to take. Okay, before all the whole charade started. Um, okay, so we have the next candle going in. Let's see if this is going to give us a rejection when it gets to this area. Yes, if we get a rejection, then we take our entry from here, take our entry from here. So let's say from here, set the stop loss around here. This is the 30 minutes time frame, and set the take profit around here. Okay. All right. All right. So just a minute, a few more seconds to the end of this current candle. If the market goes into our point of interest, we are taking our sell. Okay. So that's a good tap. Wow, beautiful, 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 guys, beautiful. So AUDJPY, get your account ready. AUDJPY, get your account ready. I want it. I want this to close below. Okay. So we still have 15 seconds to the end of the candle. If the candle breaks above this, then we have the next entry around this area. Okay. Okay. So the market didn't close below. Um, so that is not so good for our confirmation. Uh, though we still have other areas on the 1 minute time frame. So the market would likely, most likely, react to those areas. Let me just mark them out. So we have this area. Okay. All right. So for our own good and in order not to waste too much time, I think we should look for another one. Let's look for the one that can give us a fast entry where we won't have to wait too much to get a proper entry point. Okay, so this is AUD USD. Let's see what is going on here. Right, nothing too serious. Let's continue. Let's move on. Okay, I think we might have an entry. All right, guys, go to CADJPY, buy now. Okay, I just bought. I bought from here, right? CADJPY. You can still buy if you want, but this is where I bought from. CADJPY. Okay, I bought. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay. CADJPY. Let me zoom it out. So guys, we are already making small profit. Okay. See, this is the 3 minutes time frame. Let's allow the trade to run. Okay. So if you enter the trade immediately, I said buy. Your account should be on profit by now. It should be on positive. Okay. I don't want to call it profit because it's very tiny. It's very small, very little. Okay. 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 So we're on the right track. We are making profit. All right. Good. 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 Okay. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Guys, we are in profit. We are making profit. We are making good profit now. And the market is heading towards our take profit area. So this is our take profit area. This is our take profit, and this is our stop loss. Right. So if this market comes to this area, let me mark that out. So we take profit when the market goes to that area, and we are making good profit now. And the market is heading towards the take profit zone. Okay, beautiful move, guys. Just a pip or two to our take profit. Okay, so let's close some positions. All right. So I have 5 positions open. I'm closing 3, leaving just 2. Okay. Right. I have 3 positions closed. I leave 2. All right. So I hope you guys have closed some position. So we are still holding the remaining positions. All right. The reason why I say we should close some position is because nothing is 100% guaranteed when it comes to forex, and there are some zones here, okay, that could push the market back to the downside. Okay, though I have areas where I think the market will want to get to fill before continue, even if the market is going to go down. But it doesn't mean that the market is not going to have drawdowns from some areas. So that is why I wanted us to be careful and have at least some profit closed. Even if this market goes against me now, I'll still make profit. Okay, yeah, that is the scope of it. I'll still make profit. I've already closed profit, and I left just two to keep running. Okay, so the two that I left running is not going to put me in a negative balance. Okay, so even though the market goes against me, I'll still have profit of the one, which is, is five positions. So I still have one that I closed and I made a good profit out of. So we are still holding this. We are still holding. We are in profit though. We are in profit, but we want the market to come to our take profit level. Okay, if you are scared or you are having the second thought, you can close your positions. Okay, but I'm going to be holding this. I'm holding it. I will only close if the market. I'm not going to allow this market to go to stop loss, but I will close the market if the market comes below this area. Okay, if the market closes below this area, I'm going to close the trade. Okay. We are still holding these guys. Okay. So right now the market is, has continued to make it move to the upside, but hopefully it gives us the profit we want. Right. So that was a nice move. So I still have my two positions left. I still have my two positions. The market is still moving. Okay, so the movement has been very slow. I might have to close the trade. All right, so guys, let's close our remaining positions. All right, let's close our remaining positions. I don't like the movement the market has been making around these areas. So we've, you know, waited for this market to hit our TP for so long now. We had our first take profit closed when the market got to this area, and let's close our remaining positions. Okay, at least we didn't lose, but we made good profit. We had some positions closed earlier, and the market has failed to hit our take profit. You see, I closed my remaining put two positions, and the market is making a move to the upside right now. Yeah, so the market does this sometimes. You as a trader, all you need is just be patient, okay? And again, just because you want to have patience doesn't mean that you should risk your account. All right. So a good example of it is this trade we took just now. At least uh, at least we made profit. Okay, we made good profit. We close our first positions, then we close the second one around this area, which is not bad. All right. So so sometimes you might just say, okay, no, I think it's still going to go up, and then you leave the trade, then the market come and hit your stop loss, leaving you in a negative, or making you, uh, like making you feel like you just wasted your time waiting for the market and the what you wanted to do never happened. All right. But right now we made profit from both sides, which is good. We made profit, and the market has just continued to move to the upside. All right. So guys, sorry we couldn't take more trade because of the little technical glitch we had earlier. But I promise you tomorrow I'll make sure that we have better trade, we have better entries. Okay. But at least we were able to get one trade and it was profitable. You see what I was saying? The market just hit TP, guys. Wow, 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 wow. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So if you want to learn this, all you have to do is fund your account on this live stream. Okay, this live trading session. You see that banner where deposit with benefit is bulleted on. If you click on that banner, it will take you to where you can fund your account. If you fund $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. And if you are part of my premium member, you'll be getting free signals and free market report every day. Okay, Mondays to Fridays. Then if you fund up to $15, you get the same benefit, you enjoy the same services, and then you'll be added to the premium group for a month. Okay, $10 is for 2 weeks, $15 is for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200, you not just get the benefit, you'll be added to the premium group for 1 month. You get the services, you enjoy the benefit of getting free signals and market report. Then you also get a one-on-one session with me. Okay, so honestly guys, just imagine what you could learn um, on the session with me. Okay. All right. I know a lot of you have, so many questions you want to ask, but because there's no space for that. Okay. But if you are able to get the one-on-one session, imagine what we could do. Yeah. So guys, uh, that will be all for this morning. Remember we have our Telegram question and answer session coming up in less than 30 minutes. Okay, so join me there. Let's put heads together. If you have an inquiry to make, I'll be there live. You can hear me. We can all hear each other. All right. So I'll see you all on the Telegram live.